All right, this is problem 4 for the final exams, the U.S. resident problem, where we had to manipulate a different class, a subclass. Yeah, we had to manipulate a subclass of person. It inherits person, this U.S. resident class. And you just had to initialize a person object and then return or create two methods, the initialization and the get status. The get status just returns the status, raises a value error if the input status is incorrect or doesn't match. So for the initialization, this code was actually fun to do. When I was taking like freshman coding classes, I understood the concepts of like um inheritance and like subclasses and stuff like that, but we just never really went over a lot of it. Um like I understand like methods and that you can return different value, it seems pretty like self-explanatory, but we just never really went over it. So it was like harder for me to maneuver this specific code. But I took a look at the class diagrams, and that one, or being able to look at that, helped a lot um, when making this. Um, but anyways, so for the initialization, uh, we're given we're given the name and the status. So down here, U.S. resident name status. So essentially, I'm just saying, I'm doing the initialization of the person, self, and name, but I'm saying that self status is equal to status, creating that status object. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. Um, I had to play with like some of these at the same time to like get the correct output or get to like I guess try to understand it more doing like tests. But here I'm just creating an if statement that says, I guess I could have just created multiple else if statements to return self.status if it was equal to this text, or this text, but I get it's the same thing. So if the status is equal to citizen, illegal resident, or legal resident, return return this text. Else, if it's not either these three, then raise the value error, and I'm just putting wow value error. I don't know what I put something more appropriate to say. Nope, too many sessions. Fair, that's fair. It just yeah, sure. Wow, that's embarrassing. Anyways, yeah, legal resident value error. Nope. And then this would work if I were to change this to citizen. See, it prints out citizen, but if I were to change this to illegal resident, there's no problems. Thank you for watching.